Zhuhai, conduit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around, gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai.
Okay, we're on a street in Zhuhai. This is called Pineapple Street. So there's a little lighthouse, ice cream, summer stuff. So what we're gonna do, we'll give them a little camera stuff. So what we're gonna do is highlight the street, kind of show you what it looks like. So stay tuned for that, and we're gonna explore all of this in Pineapple Street.
Zhuhai, Pineapple Street. So this one is I saw it on AI, and I kind of wanted to see what it was, and I found it, and it's just kind of all this kind of cool artwork, and I feel like this could be poised to something kind of big. Actually, this whole little area could be like another like Baishan village or something, like not a big one, but like a small, cool one, because it's not too far from the ocean and the opera house. Anyways, you'll see that on another video, because another video I'll stroll over in that way, get over to the ocean. Anyways, in this particular one, Pineapple Street, a little slice of Zhuhai. You see it up on the map, and let's get there as if you're there yourself.
Before we begin going up Pineapple Street, there's also these really cool little alleys everywhere in here. It's kind of the main road. All these different little stairwells, and then you can actually, I followed it at the end of my last video where I kind of went in a little bit. I think we're going to end up in those kind of things anyways in a little bit. Let's just follow the pineapples. Actually, you can sit outside too. Let's just go down there real quick. Doesn't hurt. Yeah, I kind of went down here just to kind of see. I'm always really curious. And it looks like it goes all the way down to another street that has the same name as this one. And then you have some back doors and these little alleys as well, which I always thought was kind of cool. But let's focus on our Pineapple Street, and we're gonna see what it's all about. Yeah, it does look kind of cool. So I don't know what extent it is. Like, I don't know if it's if it's like a major tourist street. It's just something the neighborhood did, and it kind of got some recognition. Kind of a cool neighborhood though. It's close to the ocean as well. Plus you got all these cool little neighborhood stuff. Huh. Stairwells, all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, I like it. So it looks like you can sit up there too. And I don't know if this is a business or if it's a private residency. Tom and Jerry. Get some fruits and vegetables as well. It's another Doraemon. And there's some more references as well. Pretty cool. Tom and Jerry. Doraemon. I like it. Can't tell if that's somebody's home or if that's a business. Maybe a mix of both. There's a lot of cool little stuff in here. Kind of a residential, nice balconies. Nice. Okay. Got some more right here too. Fashion. Yeah, it's kind of cool because you have all these little balcony things too, right? Goes up into the hills too. Let's see, I wonder if that's the end of it. Lots of like, goes deep into stuff. There's even like little restaurant stuff. It goes up into those neighborhoods up there too. Okay. So yeah, that's Pineapple Street. And I think this might be a private entrance right here. But yeah, I think this will be the end of it. I don't know if we can go down that way or not. This might be for no cars. So we came this way, up this way, and I think we can go down that way because there's more. Let me just walk in here and see. So yeah, that was basically Pineapple Street. I think we're off of Pineapple Street now. And if I follow down here, I'll probably get lost. It's like a cool labyrinth of stuff though. There are some more businesses, a convenience store right here. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look back because we can kind of get an idea of what it's like. And on bikes here. So we kind of have an idea. It's nice and breezy. There's like nice rooftops up there too. And now we're gonna be walking downhill, down Pineapple Street. So yeah, it feels like right now, it feels like there's a lot of potential. There's some really cool artwork on this one. And I think it's probably gonna develop into something because I could see like, it's a residential area, so that could be a downside for it somewhat. But this whole street could be lined up with all kinds of cool stuff because those Pineapple Street references are kind of cool. All right. Doraemon? Doraemon. Kind of want to go down those little alleys, but I think I'm just going to come down the end instead. Okay. Pineapple Street in Zhuhai. Another little slice of the city for you. Just give you some reference to where we're at. We'll come out to the main street here. There's Charm Hotel. And right over there is the ocean. And that's Pineapple Street.
Don't ask me why, it's just you. How